Her stomach made a starving sound when she was about to eat. Wonhee ILLIT panicked reaction when her stomach rumbled during a live stream went viral on social media. As you can see, while she was doing a live stream and about to eat her meal, her stomach made a very loud growling sound that could be clearly heard through the microphone. And because of the loud stomach growl that could be heard during the live stream, Wonhee immediately looked surprised and panicked in a cute way, while covering her stomach with both hands and laughing embarrassedly.
뭔가 지금 꼬르륵이 나올 것 같은 꼬르륵이야. 아이고